It's time for Power Hour.
Just close the fucking door. Close the door.
Have a good time with your Bitcoin, your crypto, and everything else that you're playing with.
Hello, traders. Welcome to the last live stream of 2024. And we are in a countdown mode right now because we know midnight Eastern's the real new year, but UTC time, Bitcoin time, 23 minutes till Happy New Year. 23 minutes till Ald's laying sign. All right. I've got a bottle of champagne here that I don't even know how. Dang, no spin.
Captain of Crypto super chatted $50. Thanks for everything this year. Long time no spin.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So, first time in like a year and a half. I figured like I haven't done a New Year's Eve stream either. Just had some allotment of time. So I have a champagne bottle right here, unopened, for proof, of course, proof of alcohol. And yeah, the wheel spins on. I think it's like what 30 for a spin, but that was 50 right there. So I don't even know where is it even on my stream deck. Wheel spin. Oh, whoops. Sorry, Captain of Crypto. You drink whatever you're drinking: water, alcohol, orange juice, futures. Sorry, dude. Get wrecked. Yep. So I guess if anyone ever hits it, I'll open it and then I'll begin to drink. But if it lands on spinner drinks, then like, well, you know, I'm not opening it yet. So, but the New Year is upon us, and it's didn't look good on the Dow Jones. Bitcoin's working on a shooting star. Let's look at this 1 month. There it is. I mean, it is shooting starish, but at the same time could be indecision. You got to get follow through next month in January, a lower close than this month's close to really confirm a shooting star reversal. Until then, it's kind of potential and could be nothing. They could just again engulf when we keep going next month. So Joe, I'm not bringing it back just for New Year's Eve. I mean, this is it, man. Like, it's been 1.5 years, might be another year and a half till you can get me again on this. So a little pre-game on my part. So yeah, man, this is how the month is going to close. It's going to be your second highest monthly close ever, second to last month's, and that's it. Okay. Go to well, I mean, yeah, the 4 hour and 8 hour really starting to look interesting on Bitcoin a little bit. Man, just a weak macro. Yeah, you can't expect much on a holiday. Like, but you're setting up for a dragon maybe, and like we talked about targets for the dragon. Go in the 8 hour here. You can see like the X, the A, the B, and then you're working on C. You don't know if the C is in yet. If they're going to take it a little lower, they could, and it would make a lot of sense. 90,800 would be awesome because that'd be a minimum 1272. Right here, 90,000. That would give you a valid C point for potential harmonic that would, you know, the C to D wave would be, you know, once it got down there and they false bearish breakdown, we recaptured 92K. Then you got a big run that could take you all the way to 106 for X, A, B, C, D situation, right? That would be optimum. I'm talking about you got a 1272 down here. It can go 113. You haven't even hit a 113 yet, which is the minimum criteria of the C point. So that's going to be down there, all right? And an 886 from there would take you all the way to like 1064 eyeballing it. So yeah, pretty unfortunate price action today based on man, just right here, right? It's like they ran it up to do what? To just rival the December 28th joke of a high, these two highs. And you're just dumping, you're bearish engulfing on the 4 hour, and you're catching follow through on this 4 hour candle. but you're not below support yet. It's just, man, anemic price action, dude. Yeah, I feel fulfilled doing it. I would never have been able to do this for, 7 years almost now. 7 years in about a month. If I wasn't fulfilled doing it. I mean, trading, making money's fun and all, but doing it alone's not that. It's not really fulfilling, making money by yourself. So yeah, but when I'm doing it, I don't know if I'll be doing it while I'm 60 years old. That's maybe, who knows? I mean, if all stays the same as is, probably, even if I find someone, have kids and all that, I'll probably still do this. But yeah, I'm not sure, man. Yeah, happy New Year's in advance. Yeah, Bama did suck. Oh, it's not when Bama sucked. I mean, Bama was kind of fine. The defense played freaking well. It was one person again. Milroe is a head case. He's not a quarterback. Like, yeah, man, he owns LSU with his legs. He can beat Georgia. It's crazy that he can do that, man. But like everyone else, terrible. Like he gave them every point they scored today. Just handed it to them. And, with that type of performance, you got to say bon voyage to him and wish him well in the future. But dang, man, can we get a pocket passer with a high IQ? High football IQ, man? That'd be great. Yeah, so drawing down 16 minutes till the monthly, daily, and yearly close. So let's go to, we can go to the other coins if you want. Ethereum, I'm not sold. I don't like Ethereum. The price action's terrible. You're below resistance. You're confirming resistance as resistance when it should have been support. Your target's 3K. Target's 3K. Until they recapture 3580, your target's 3K, and that's it, man. There's no way to strategize this. I don't think. I think you're flipping coins if you try to buy this right now. I don't think you have an edge at all. What's the monthly look like? How's it gonna close? It's gonna close. We've looked at these yesterday, but just indecision candle after a huge bullish engulfing candle, really not a big deal. Next month could be insane. We start selling off next month. We go to 3K, you pivot there and you run, you engulf again, and you go to all-time highs. I mean, that is a very real possibility. This price contraction won't last much longer. You're nearing the apex, the event horizon of price contraction, and yeah, I think you'll see 5K Ethereum at some point. Not this month, maybe not even next month, but it's still okay despite the disappointing performance.
Cryptogos tipped $30. Happy New Year's, Mitch.
Cryptogos,
spin that wheel.
Thanks, dude. Sure. Good luck, man. You're probably gonna get wrecked. All right, you and me both get wrecked. All right, we'll open it now. We will open the bottle. All right. Just give me a second to take off the metal cage. Please don't go everywhere. Oh my god. I hear a lot of women moaning and music in the background. Hopefully it's not too loud. It's not overwhelming the Ethereum triangle in log scale. Sometimes that happens. Okay, here we go, chat. You hear this pop? This is the revelation of 2024 and all our gains we've made. A lot. Best year of my life. Hopefully some of yours too. There it is, man. All right, you're supposed to chew on the cork. You're supposed to ingest the cork, I think, for flavor or something. I was told that by an Italian man. somewhere in the Adriatic. Drunk. Okay. All right, so this is a big cheers to y'all. Give me 1 sec. Let me put this back on ice. Okay, here's your social sip. All right, you know, that spin's not gonna get me drunk. It's just gonna get me going. So I don't know what's up with my mic, man. I don't know why it's like that. What the heck? Something happened. I can't redline anymore. It's so stupid. Let me go to my audio properties real quick. Let me see if I can do something here, because this is weird. Speech. Microphone setup, dude. Oh! No, that's not it. What is this? What the heck, man? Audio is fine. No, it's really not. I don't know why it won't let me redline. I'm supposed to be able to redline. This is stupid. Yeah, I just get too far away from the mic. It's on point. Yeah. Mods, if some random gray person comes in and says I'm quiet, be sure to refute them immediately so it doesn't get me going on like some tangent to change things. All right, so that's your Ethereum monthly. Let's get your BNB monthly down 0.5%
Women
today.
are moaning in the background because social. Keep spinning that social. I didn't get up here to heaven being a nice guy. Happy New Year's, Chad.
Oh,
you better or else.
Thank you. I don't think that's, you know, if you want to do the wheel spin, don't do the Tangia. Don't do that. Do it through Stream Elements like always. Okay. Because, yeah, that's just another thing I'm not worried about. Yeah, that was not. Okay. Anyway, so BNB is about to have history. We're about to have champagne popping for the highest monthly close in history. Never before seen. Maybe it's real. Hopefully it's real and not a fake out, because if it's a fake out, bye-bye. We're screwed. But if it's not, $1,000 is coming. Yeah, better hope it's real. So that's like the only one like that we're about to be able to celebrate. Because big one's not going to make a monthly close. This is the highest ever. Ethereum's not. Solana's not. XRP's not. Nothing. Yep, imposters emailing or messaging you. I'm never going to DM you, so don't fall for it, man. All right, Solana in log. Whoa, what the heck? Not in log. See, all they did was pull. You know, it's unfortunate. You're going to close below some key levels, man, that you really wanted to see us close above. Buck 200, 208 would have been nice. You're not going to do it. You're down 1% today. Wasn't a good day. Dailies don't really look great. I mean, daily actually here looks pretty bad. I mean, until they break above 200, until they stop negatively correlating to this key level, it's just not great, man. You can see a lot more downside. I mean, 169 for a 200 moving average. Trade setup was good. It was perfect, actually. Literally perfect. And now there's nothing to do but wait still. For us to recapture 198, then we start regarding it as support. Then we'd be good, but it's tough till then, man. Really. Oh, okay. XRP daily, it's up 1%, 1.1% today after yesterday making its lowest close since November 30th. And really just swing trader, it's tough to want to do much here. I don't think you have an edge. There's certainly no value. You're paying high premium with the coin flip. That's not good because there could be a lot of downside if things go bad on Bitcoin. But Bitcoin's still above support for now. Monthly. You are about to have, yep, it's true. Okay, something to celebrate here. XRP is going for its highest monthly candle close ever too. Forgot about this one. Yep, so this and BNB. BNB and XRP about to be the best freaking monthly closes of the big ones, all right? Nothing else though. That's it. That's your big coins. Dogecoin. Just you know, down 25% this month. And just up against the 28-cent support resistance from 2021. Not much to do here either. If you look in the daily, definitely nothing to do. Just, like, it's just you're flipping coins, and I would just think you're gonna probably retest 28 cents. If not, probably that 26-cent level. Until you recapture 35 cents, you have nothing to do. If you're bullish, if you're long, it's like you don't have an edge. You have nothing going for you right now. Maybe XLM's close. I don't know. It had a good month for it, that's for sure. With XRP, XLM. Ugh, good God, the sell-off's a lot more intense, or somewhat more intense than XRP's. You know, how will we have it? Something like this. It looks like a falling wedge, actually. Maybe a wedge, maybe a channel. Yeah, that's pretty wedge-ish.
Georgetown Felix tipped $34.03. Sup fam. Happy New Year, Mitch. 0.33000000 LTC.
What's up, Georgetown Felix, man? Thanks for the $34 of crypto. All right, social, dude. You and me both. All right, cheers. 6 minutes and change till the yearly, the quarterly, the monthly, the daily candle close, chat. Cheers to y'all. All right. So just continuing to bleed out, and there's nothing implying a reversal's coming now or impending, okay? It could continue bleeding out to 23.23 cents, 17 cents, and it would all be normal. It'd be fine. It wouldn't be a big deal. All right, you could say whatever and say that. Okay, it's just a bit, you could definitely do it like that. Parallel channel tool, anchoring on the bottom, 1, 2, on the top. It's like 1 and 2. Okay, you know, like whatever. Testing the heart line. You're correcting, and the correction is still pretty moderate and could go a lot deeper, and it would be good. Yep. Monthly. Oof. Definitely not doing what XRP's doing. But last month made its second highest monthly close, kind of like ever, right? Here's your highest, April 2021. Or maybe not. There might be more data. I don't think so. Maybe. Yeah, there probably was. Anyway, on this chart, on the Binance chart, it rivaled it, and it just complete reversed. Down 36.69% the month of December. So what a hangover. You better hope they hold that 30-cent level, that high back from 2018. Got 5 minutes till the close. Yeah, there's more data for sure. Yeah. Where? Oh, I don't know, dude. Just somewhere, man. Here you go. But really, with more data, it's still the monthly candle closes all rivaling each other. Beautiful little M shape. Blew up. Dang, man. There's not much here. Really, like 20 cents. Don't you think 20 cents is good? That's a
10
great
and 30-year bonds about to break out, and everyone thinks SPY will do another 25% year-over-year return. Lol. Sorry, brothers. Elon can't even stop it.
Greg P, thanks for the 5. Yeah, well, the yield's breaking out. It's weird. I mean, you can talk about the yields, but man, it's really the index funds, like, which, let's do it right now, because they did close already. It's done, dude. All right, so we have, let me decide this on the monthly. we have on the monthly that is confirmed, we do technically have undoubtedly a dark cloud cover reversal closed. Confirmed. It's done. Well, you know, after hours trading, whatever, but the market closed piercing through over 50% of the previous candle's body and opened higher than the previous candle's open or close, excuse me, opened higher than the close. Barely. You can barely see it. It's real though. Like, no one in this room could argue. It gapped up. Certainly higher than last month's close. Okay. Had a huge rally and then dumped and then cut through. And that's it. That's a dark cloud cover, no matter what way you paint it. No matter what you say, that's real, and you can't take it away. Now, it might fail. It might not play out. But hey, I remember the dark cloud cover bearish engulfing right here, January 2022. There was one right here too, September 2020, and it was only another month, but the things had turned around after insanity. Yeah, just saying, that's where you are. You have it. How's that 1 year looking? 12-month candle? Shoot, man. Ridiculous. Just your highest one ever. 3 month. Dude, each candle represents 3 freaking months here. Something's gonna give. You're gonna get a red candle at some point, man. But this is the one that makes me feel weird. I don't feel great about this on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. That is just the most textbook tweezer top looking A you could ever see. And if you scale out enough, you can clearly see its dark cloud cover behavior too. Right, a higher open, the previous candle's close, and then you certainly pierce through well over 65%. I mean, that's like 90% of the candle was pierced through. So that is all the makings of a reversal. It's perfect, man. Almost to the dollar. So, I mean, and like, really, what's the context here? Price discovery, but from your previous major high to low, you are trading above a 1.618 gold mean ratio. So like, okay, some pullback happens here. It's the least surprising thing in the entire effing world. Yep. We got 1 minute, 30 seconds, chat. I mean, this is it. This is your last local on the 8s of 2024, because we have a monthly close. 1 minute, 13 seconds till a potential shooting star reversal is painted. Oh man, we're about to play the song. You know, it's gonna be a little dramatic and stuff, but we're gonna do it. Less than 1 minute, chat. Yeah, Hugo Boss, not really. You're not looking at yearly candles, because they can pull it back for 6 months and then it rallies later, you know, and the tweezer top plays out wonderfully. So here we go, chat. 30 seconds till we got history. Hope you have your champagne, your kazoos.
I like Elon. Hell, I even have a Tesla and Starlink, but don't let him fool you. He's not your friend. You either die a hero or become the villain.
The villain. All right, here we go. 5 seconds, chat. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Jesus chimes. This is our New Year's, chat. This is ours. Yeah, New Year's, okay, but we've done it, man. We've done it, okay? It was a good one, Bitcoin. What did it do on the year? Bitcoin went up 120.76% this year, now confirmed seconds ago. That's a good one, man. The year before, 155. And we closed above 92K again, so we're all good. We did it, man. That was it. That's it, chat. That's the stream. Just had to be here for that. Closing moment. How did Ethereum do on the year? Ethereum had a good year. It's up 46% this year. Solana, how'd it do? Up 86% on the year. BNB, how'd it do on the year? All-time highs, by the way. Highest monthly close ever. Highest yearly close ever. Up 125% on the year. XRP, how did it do? Up 237% for the year 2024. And the highest yearly candle close, literally, ever. So, more Jesus chimes. Doge, how'd it do? It had 254% on the year. The highest yearly candle close in history, chat. Beautiful. Bitcoin Cash, pathetic, up 67%. Meh. But man, look at this. Yearly, how do we have a yearly double bottom on Bitcoin Cash? That is so crazy. Highest yearly candle close since January of since 2017. This is crazy, man. Double bottom on the yearly? Okay. So obviously the index funds all-time highs on their yearlies. Some of these other ones though, Cardano, 42% for the year 2024, highest yearly close since 2021. Altcoin, how to do? Altcoin for the year 2024 was down 28%. Terrible. Okay, GRT, how to do? Up 8% on the year. Terrible. And welcome to the altcoins. Chainlink. Okay, better. Highest yearly candle close, I think, ever. Up 33%, but the highest yearly close ever. That's great, man. Litecoin, up 41% on the year. Highest yearly close since 2021. Nice. Look at Sol's yearly. Yeah, Sol highest yearly candle close ever. Tron, obviously the highest yearly close ever. Not even close. The song's really good, man. Or it might just be the few sips of alcohol I've taken. I think it's both. What about total market cap, chat? Highest yearly candle close we've ever seen for all of crypto. Yeah, this song's amazing. Awakening in the Jungle is what it's called. Well, that's crypto. Yeah, will 2025 be bearish, bullish? We're going to find out. Total market cap. Obviously it looks like gross, but no problem till, you know, you start breaking supports.
Happy New Year, mate. Thanks for all your efforts in 24. Looking forward to more education and learning in 25. Thanks, pal, Scotland.
Thank you, Will, for the £5 super chat. And yeah, 2025 will be interesting. With Trump getting in power, the Department of Government Efficiency coming in. We'll see if they can defeat the deep state. Deep state always tends to win, don't they? But this is the first time we've ever seen an impending administration that's going to take it on. Wow. this is really loud. I'm sorry. Yeah, way too loud. Okay. We can just look at some of these, more of these alts. Lind, what a year. Lind killed it, but like he's up here, you see one high, a second high, and you're like, okay, what are you supposed to do? If anything, it's neutral, but I don't know, confirmed to top. Highest level of negative momentum in the history of Lind Coin. Or close, nah, never mind. It was highest since 2021. Yeah, anything about 284 is okay, but dang man, you're staring at the face of a confirmation high, very visible on the daily. Algorand, maybe, are they gonna, one time, are they gonna double bottom it here? Maybe, man, maybe they're gonna do it. It's just, how do you like it when it's like you can clearly see we're below the level you need to be above, 37.35 cents. You are lower than it, so it just makes it tougher to manage risk and to know what your upside potential is on it, right? Wow, what a, in the end though, look at this. That freaking is unbelievable shooting star. And it was it. You know, they had to confirm it and stuff, tested it, but that was it, man. December 3rd. One of the craziest, beautiful shooting stars I've ever seen in my life. But yeah, 1 and 2, maybe. 12 hour. Yeah, I mean, maybe. Adam, just looking at the, just looks like ready to sell off more. I don't care if it goes up higher. I would rather just make an 886. Could it just give us the thing we want? Let us have it. And then let's get a type 2 return. And then we could trade it later. Can we just get this first? Can we please get that? Give me a bullish bat. We wait on it. We get it. Can we get that, please? Would make the most sense for a long. Best value. Avalanche, same thing. Can we wait for like way lower prices? That'd make me happy. I mean, if it starts reversing now, that's crazy, dude. XS, I don't know. Basic attention token. Yeah, I don't know. Can we just wait probably for an 886? Okay, we just wait for. Just give me this. Wait for that. Would be pretty good, right? Yep. Comp. You get it. Can we get an 886? It would make sense, man. Lowest daily candle close on comp yesterday since December 1st. Dash, remember Dash? Pumped and dumping, and look, they closed it below the level it needed to be. It's not a joke. There's no argument. It's reality of how real this level is. 38.50, 39.60. Look what they did. They broke it. Confirmed yesterday, December 31st. It's not 2025 in Bitcoin terms, UTC time. That means, oh, okay, max downside potential if this is real. Which would be great, because then you could get yourself a really nice 886 M shape. Altcoin definitely would make sense to lose it, 88% of its value, and then we could have that M shape. Like, everything is correcting. These corrections typically last longer. Even if they pivot and rallied here, they'll probably still make lower highs than the previous highs. Chat, you there? Hello? DYDX. Still waiting for a little bit lower, and already it's getting closer. Just all you gotta do is go a little bit lower. 114, and we're in business. EOS. Yeah, give me 52 cents. That'd be nice.
Mitch, why would these assets go back down to their bear market lows? Trump is supposed to be good for crypto? 0.0490316 LTC.
Bear market lows? They wouldn't. They'd be going 88% of the way to their lows because these assets have no value. They're virtual scams that are traded and then major profits taken, and then they lose 88% of their value because we have participated in so many different of these crypto cycles, and we're just waiting for history to repeat itself. We're just waiting for them to do the same thing they always do. They lose 88% of their value, and then they run again after. Like, it doesn't matter like what you think the narrative is. Everything, okay, Trump winning the election was the market's reaction. Now it's priced in. Yep. Yes. Altcoins going up 200 to 500% on average. Is the market pricing in Trump getting elected? Okay. Or gonna be president. Now everything's, dumb money had to come in, and they reset these assets. They just do. They always have. They always will. Filecoin. Yep. If it held here, fine. Maybe. Hey, we've had a trade set up here that's very successful. They could do it, man. They could really hold it here, but at the same time, it would be a safer, more conservative, I think higher probability outcome area to see Filecoin hit an 88% retrace right there. And it would not see the lowest lows. It would just go close. It would be 389. That'd be your best bet. Yeah, 92K is an extremely real level. Clearly, you see the lines there. That's either 92K or 99K. Yeah, very real level. So guess what? Bitcoin's at 93K. And all these altcoins are trading at prices they were at in 2021. Just about all of them. Well, if you're in an altcoin, okay, if you've been in Filecoin since 2017, that means that, well, I don't know on this one, because it didn't exist until I don't even know. This one listed. I'll go to like IOTA, for instance. Hey man, I've been in IOTA since 2017, 18, man. So that means that yeah, look, it's trading at 28 cents in November 2018, trading at 28 cents in 2025 now. Bitcoin was at like December 2018. Bitcoin was at like $4,000. Bitcoin's at $93,000 now. They're not the same. You altcoin moon boy scrubs. Okay, not even close to being the same thing. They're meant to be traded, pumped and dumped, exit, and cashed up. That's what they're meant for. That's altcoins. They're financial instruments we use to utilize traditional technical analysis, a risk management tool. That's it. Long-term holding on this is really stupid. Like, it's proven to be extremely stupid to hold altcoins long-term without a plan. It's really stupid. Outside of Bitcoin.
88% is basically the bear market lows. Are we not going to get an Altseason mania this time? 0.0490316 LTC.
Oh my God. I just don't understand what world y'all are living in. IOTA went up 510% in 27 days. That is mania. What is wrong with y'all? That's mania. That's psychotic. That never happens. That's stupid. That's mania. That's bubble popped. We reset, we go 886, and then we run again. Maybe do something stupid like that later. Thanks. I'll drink, man, to that. My God. Try to understand this wheel will not be back for another year or more. So you want the wheel spin, you can do it. If not, okay, that wheel is done. Okay. Litecoin. Maybe they hold it. You know, maybe, oh, is it a confirmation? It could be. They could do it. I'm not here saying the probability is high we're going lower. I'm just saying I would prefer lower prices. But like, you could definitely see one low and a second low maybe developing here. Both of these lows are pretty close to this low. So it's like sellers could already be exhausted on Litecoin. Yeah, maybe. Remember, this has hit 2 of 3 targets. The third target of the trade setup was 184. The second target was, whoa, how about that? 137. So, hey, they could start running it now. According to the trading plan, it's not done yet. But it could go to $84 first and then run later, or it could just pivot now and run later. Got you in at least. I mean, come on, man. See, that's the thing. People show up late, and it's like, there's nothing I can do for you. Like, you need my help now. And it's like, yeah, well, I told you should have been here. You should have been here October 27th. Okay. October 27th, watching the stream, because I did this live for free for everyone. Okay, here's the argument on the weekly. Confirmation low.
Last bull market, all these alts pumped 2040x from their bear market lows. 35x returns are for scrubs, 0.04903163 LTC.
When they 2040x'd, you're not taking into consideration the corrections that they had like during that time. Okay, so like for instance, in 2021, all right, well, let's see here. Yeah, we had, this is here, like September 2020. I remember this was a setup, and people were legitimately like questioning this setup, this Litecoin setup posted in 2020. Are you sure about that? I don't know, man. I don't know. You know, and then look what happened. It ran up, hit a great target, broke it. Look at this correction, man. Litecoin dropped 31% in 3 days. Ran up, look what it did. It dropped 25% in 11 days. 24%. Look at this one. Look at this one. Oh my God. It went 40% in 2 days. 2 days, 40%. Created a dragon pattern, ran again. Higher lows. Yeah, the trend really got going. So I would say we're probably in, you know, it's just begun. But you're correcting right now. So, yeah. So they can pivot it now. And if they don't, and it goes a little lower, if it does this, who cares? I mean, it could end up like that. But in the end, it doesn't matter because this was the entry. The entry was 71.50. So 1 target, 2 targets hit. They pull it back. Who cares? Do whatever. Go back 50%, 80%, 60%. It doesn't matter, right? Third target still hasn't been hit. Still waiting on it. If they break that, then it's 255 after that. So you got to remember, a lot of these altcoins, the developers dilute their coins, right? So that means like way more coins out there. So like for Solana, for instance, its market cap hit all-time highs, but the price was way lower while the market cap hit all-time highs because they dilute their coins. So you got to look out for that. Just because we go on a run doesn't mean they're going to hit all-time highs because of that. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash is an altcoin. It is alternative to Bitcoin. Anything that is alternative to Bitcoin is an altcoin. Not Bitcoin, crypto, altcoin. Chainlink, like here we are. Lowest daily candle close confirmed since December 1st. We know it's a potential pattern. We know it is not confirmed yet. It's right at the neckline. We know there's all the support here. This is exactly where it could pivot and run to $28 plus. Okay, but you telling me, man, that the run has begun. But like if they pull it back to 16 bucks, 13 bucks, it's still going to be the highest low of the uptrend and run again. So I just, yeah, hit and run. I mean, dude. Here's the thing, like some of these have already hit 88% retraces. Look, like IMX already 886'd. They're market lows. Okay, it's at the bear market lows. Same price as trading at July 2024. Same price as trading at March 2023, 2022. Just sitting there below the 200 moving average. Gross. Something like OP, like, okay. Like, it's probably just going to put in a higher low again and run later. I don't know when it's going to start running again, but like this on the weekly was amazing. Oh, look, like, can you be really that worried about right now? As long as it's above 140, all is well on OP coin. The weeklies are all like kind of fine, you know, like even stuff like Orchid Coin, like who cares? It could 886 here, make a higher low and be fine. It's probably just the beginning. These M shapes are like cycle reversing structures. Storage even, you know, storage has been like, dang man, that sucks. But in the end, I mean, they could take this down to 35 cents again and it'd still technically be okay. Yeah, just the beginning, most likely. Theta, another one. Like, it's not done. It's just they hit profit-taking levels and they sell off, and it can continue to sell off. It can go down to 160 and still be fine.
Cheeseman tipped $25. Fizz Binance monthly, please. What you think?
This first request of the day. Talking about Fidelity? Gotta be Fidelity, right? Nah, I don't know, man. There's a crypto too. Which one is it? Cheeseman. Let me know. Roger, it's in the description below or in the YouTube. Multiple ways to do it. He said Binance? He said finance, I thought. Am I crazy? I might be crazy. He said Binance. Okay, I'm thinking finance. Okay. And he wanted the monthly. Wow, the monthly. Shoot, man. All kinds of swing lows. 3 of them. Yeah, man. That's kind of wild, isn't it? Rule of 3. You can clearly see the levels, right? 72 cents or 23 cents. That's it. You gotta wonder, is it a triple bottom or a 3 rising valleys? It's not quite a 3 rising valleys, but you can clearly see 1. You can see 2. You can definitely see 3 here. So it is a really pretty structure. And if this thing plays out, you know, it's a minimum $1.99, you know. They could take this thing to 210. That's really pretty. Really is. All right, that is a multi-year structure. Some insane volume last month, so yep. I would say if it's going to play out, 99-cent target, $2.10 target. If that ever broke that, my God, you can go to 385. That's wild, man. That's beautiful. Very good request. Just because it's like down in the basement and it's just like your third value, rule of 3. We expect nothing, okay? No expectations. Because we don't, right? If you expect something to happen and the thing that you don't expect to happen happens, it's going to trigger emotional responses in your brain and it's going to affect your next trades. So we don't have expectations. I would like to see consolidation continue, some recognizable, predictable patterns develop at key levels with favorable price action. so we can construct trading plans with optimum risk management. That's what I would want to happen in January. That would be great. Still waiting for that. Stupid upside potential on this if it actually resolves bullishly. So yeah, nice. Just hope 92K holds on Bitcoin. Wow, I'm gonna add this in the list. Dang, so I don't forget. Yeah, stuff like VeChain on the monthly. God, people be like shooting star, but it's like, I mean, maybe biggest shooting star of all time. But yeah, see that thing? It's like you had the setup. It took a year for the development of the pattern, and then it finally, after a couple months, played out, and now it's correcting. And the correction could be deep, moderate. We don't know. We don't know when it how, but we did know that at the 2 cent level was the optimum area to enter. That's all we knew. And we knew profit taking at the top of the harmonic was aggressive and good. And that happened. They exceeded it. Got to 8 cents almost. But yeah, this thing goes down to 2.7 cents. Pivots, it'd be the highest low of the newly established uptrend. And we could run again. Wouldn't be weird. Now you get it? Like, you hear what I'm saying? VeChain could literally go down like 36% and still be awesome, technically speaking, for the trend. So stream is more dead than I thought it would be for a New Year's stream. So I might end it soon. 57 minutes in, so about an hour. So that's like what I normally do for a normal stream. So just, you know, continuing to make the rounds on a few of these. We didn't even need a request. That was it. All right, Chessman's request. Yeah, that was it. Tezos. Dude, I got nothing. I mean, Tezos had the run, hit resistance and reversed, and you get the daily. It's like that right there. Shoot, man. I remember talking about shorting this to 86 cents probably would be nice. I don't know what that is, so no. But yeah, if you think about it, what would be so nice about this? The only thing that would make sense to me would be something like this. Yep. I'd love to see this. It would satisfy me. It would please me. Tezos doing an 886 and then making a higher low than previous low. Value perceived area, good support down there. And then we start developing double bottoms and we're setting shoulders down here. It'd be beautiful, but until then you can't touch this. To touch this right now is crazy. Like, you don't have any argument for upside. Not yet. Not right now. Even if it rallied here, you have no argument, technically speaking. Oh yeah, you want to see silver and gold? Yeah, we can look gold. Gold, and it's monthly. All right, they had a nice day today at 0.71%. Up, down, up, down. Yep. Monthly close, though. Well, last month's dark cloud cover caught follow-through after only hitting the 100% measured move with the multi-year coupled handle. So there could be more downside. If not, whatever. Send it to 3K if not. What a run. It's been unstoppable. Silver, that wasn't really looking good on the daily. Whew, man, that rising 3 methods kind of crapped out. Bearish engulfing candle in November, and we have a follow through candle in December. That's not good. That's not good at all. Could be failed pattern. And I would think that, you know, maybe they're gonna try to defend 28.20 if it doesn't hold, then 26.18. Could be cooked for a while, but long-term uptrend for sure. Yep. So let's go to the Mag 7 and then end it. All right, we'll look at their monthlies. Tesla down 3+% today, but look at this. Highest monthly candle close ever on Tesla. Hype in the chat. Very, very nice. Remember the dragon? I remember the dragon. Look, dude, y'all remember the monthly dragon? At everyone, literally at everyone. It's a dragon. Monthly bullish dragon. Oh my god, oh my god. Yep. Beautiful history. Nvidia, second highest monthly candle close ever, but not a great candle, down 2.33%. Dude, the daily is concerning until they do something different. Daily's like, are you kidding me? Like a beautiful head and shoulders is turned into what? A 3 falling peaks pattern, classic distribution. The third peak is formally back testing the old all-time high from June as resistance. That's bad, man. Then you got a bearish engulfing candle confirmed on the last day of the year. That's not like what you want to see. I mean, it could go up. It could resolve bullishly. I'm just saying that's just terrible. That's not good. No matter what happens next, it's just not good price action. It's not good structures right now. So make of that what you will. Google's down 1%, one high, not enough demand to even test 200 again. Shooting star, still very valid right now. Bearish and golden candle pretty much today. Negative momentum beginning to build. Remember, this was a trade setup too. But what did it do? It's crazy, man. It's almost insane, isn't it? It's almost literally, not that one. That's another old successful trade setup. Yep, here it is. Look what they did. Look at this, man. It's like, okay. It was October 26th, day before earnings. Okay, price action was good. Look at your third target. It was 199.57. It wasn't the 1272, 16. It was just that, right? Okay, target 3 gets hit, and that's where we are. So far, they're unable to really go any further. They can come fill this gap down here, make a higher low and run again later, whatever. But that's Google. How the monthly go? I mean, it was good monthly. Shoot, man, all-time highs, highest monthly close, bullish engulfing candle confirmed. Nice, very nice. Nice bullish hammer to usher in the reversal too. Beautiful. Meta though, that's a shooting star, a green shooting star. What's up, G? No, I didn't get invited, so how am I going to something I'm not invited to? Yeah, that's. Tell me, man. I mean, $600. Third month in a row they've tested 600 and they've been unable to break it. But it was the highest monthly close ever, despite anything. Very nice, but dude, multi-year impulse. You'd think at some point you'll get some sort of pullback, even if it's shallow or mild, moderate. It's just gonna keep going, really? Okay. Amazon, highest monthly close literally ever. This one's not as bad. Unfilled gap at 185. Just what a run so far. Microsoft. What did they do? What did they do? What kind of effing candle is this? On the monthly? Really? This thing was at 455. Definitely not all-time highs. Bad performer. Worst performer of the Mag 7, I believe. Apple all-time highs. Highest monthly close ever. There we go, dude. Okay, guys. I've been live an hour and 4 minutes. Bitcoin's above 92K, so we're good. Could be great, man. 98, 99K is the target if we stay above this long enough. Sellers, it's a joke. They've tried 3 different times. Losers, man. Sellers are losers. Oh my God, we're going to keep trying. No, people keep buying here. They keep defending the level, and now it's like you're just staunchly above it right now. So if they hold this long enough, you have a 99K target, and that's it. There's no controversy. That's the upside if they hold this. Okay. Here's your last monthly look on Bitcoin. Very fresh. People are like, oh, it's shooting star, but really shooting star right after the first breakout candle. I'm just not that sold on it. You'd have to get a lower monthly candle close in January than December's close to make me feel bad about it. I'm okay for now. It's too early to be worried about it. Chat, thanks for coming out. Hope you have a great New Year's this evening. And I'll just be back. Until next time, respect the T. Hey, Happy New Year.
Gentlemen in the mix.
I'm all alone.